it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is block positioner. Now this is a broker-dealer, a securities dealer, that buys block positions from, say, mutual funds, large institutions, or sellers that need to get rid of a large block of stock. They'll accumulate that block of stock, and then they'll make it available to sell at a higher level with the hopes of selling at a higher level to another institution. Block positioners usually move big blocks of stock. They're done for a reason. There's all kinds of strategic tax reasons and other reasons why block positioners exist. These cleanup trades sometimes when a seller is coming out of a trade, maybe they're positioning themselves, the mutual fund wants to get rid of one position and buy another. Block positioners are a useful tool and a big important part of the capital markets. Today's word is block positioner.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.